So, a very good afternoon to everyone present here. It is my privilege to welcome you all to BizSpark, igniting the fire of entrepreneurship. Today marks a celebration of innovation, intellect, and initiative as our class 11th commerce students showcase their business idea with vision and confidence. We extend a warm welcome to our Honorable Chairman Sir, MD Sir, and respected Principal Sir, whose constant support and encouragement shape the entrepreneurial spirit within our institution, and our respected teachers. So, everyone, please give them a huge round of applause. Entrepreneurship teaches us to think beyond challenges, take responsibility, and convert opportunities into achievements. Today, our students will be demonstrating exactly that. We now begin the core segment of the event, the business presentation. Each team will present their concept, business model, and feasibility in front of our respected judges. Let us now invite our first team.
Good morning, judges. We are the students of class 11th Commerce, and today we are present here to share our business idea, Lavender Loaf, with the tagline where every bite feels like a bloom.
So, Lavender Loaf, it is basically an online bakery platform or a brand which is online, as we know. So, we also prefer or we offer bakery items but with health, keeping in mind the health of our customers. Our vision is to be the most trusted online bakery brand or platform in terms of consistency, convenience, or creativity.
So now let me tell you the meaning of Lavender Loaf, the meaning of our brand. So lavender means elegance, softness, and calmness, and loaf means bread, or you can say healthy baked items. So together, Lavender Loaf signifies calmness and pureness, and it means that the products which are baked with pureness and calmness and which are healthy, and our loaves are made with dedication and careness.
So now let's take an overview of our products. As I have told you कि हमारे products जो हैं वो healthy होंगे. In which terms? Bakeries, तो multiple bakeries are there, but we are offering health. How? It is that 100% मैदा free products होंगे, whole wheat use होगा और millets like ragi की brownies. Then we have coconut biscuits with whole wheat, of course. And we also have very low amount. Says that it will definitely be a very good idea to lead because आजकल आजकल गिफ्टिंग एरा बहुत चल रहा है ना, एंड पीपल आर इवन वेरी हेल्थ कॉन्शियस. ऑन द अदर हैंड जिम में बहुत ज़्यादा लोग हैं, दोज आर हेल्थ कॉन्शियस, जिनको अपनी डाइट की बहुत फिक्र है. तो इफ़ दे डोंट वांट टू रिग्रेट, क्योंकि एक जब हम खा पी तो लेते हैं, हम इंजॉय कर लेते हैं, बट इंस्टेंट रिग्रेट होता है बाद में कि शायद अब इतनी कैलोरीज हमें बर्न करनी पड़ेगी, बाद में वेट गेन हो जाएगा एंड ऑल. तो आई थिंक दिस विल डेफिनेटली वर्क. यस सर, दैट इज व्हाट वी वांट टू से.
Okay, if it is really colorful, good one, attractive one, so
It is because हम लोग पैकेजिंग पे ज़्यादा फोकस
buy
करते हैं.
that.
यस सर.
So ignoring, you see the brand image or whatever, the quality, subtle difference.
यस
The
सर.
packaging is really much more better.
यस सो मतलब कि ये हम तो यूज़ कर रहे हैं क्योंकि अगर हम बाकी कंपनीज का प्रोडक्ट यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो वो कहीं ना कहीं 30 to 40% जो उसकी एफिशिएंसी है वो कम कर देगा, और धीरे धीरे वो जो बैटरी है वो ओवरहीट होने लगेगी. और अगर हम यूवी फिल्ट्राइजेशन मेथड को यूज़ करें, जो इम्प्योरिटीज जो बची हैं, तो हम
Good afternoon, judges. I'm Sonakshi. Hi, Nandini. And we are the founders of Social Boost Media, a student-led digital marketing company where we help local shops to grow online. In today's world, everyone searches everything in online. And most of the local shops don't know how to use social media properly. So either they don't have the time, skill, or resources like to make attractive posts, reels and ads, and because of that they lose customers to bigger brands. और वहाँ पे आता है हमारा सोशल बूस्ट मीडिया. हम कस्टमर्स को अफोर्डेबल रेट पे.
Good afternoon, judges. We are the student of class 11th. Today we are standing here to present our business idea, that was POD. POD means printing on demand. Yes. My name is Harsh and
My name is Wajid Slim.
today we are presenting our business idea, that was POD. POD means print on demand. वन डे एक दिन मैं एक मॉल में जाता हूँ, वहाँ पर जाके देखता हूँ कि मैं अपने कुछ टी शर्ट्स वगैरह देख रहा था, जिस पे मेरे को लगता है कि इस टी शर्ट में ये चीज़ मेरे अकॉर्डिंग होनी चाहिए थी, जाकि ये मेरे को पसंद नहीं आ रही, जिसके कारण मैं मतलब वो उस चीज़ पे मतलब अपना अट्रैक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा उसकी उसमें. इसलिए मैंने ये सोचा कि अगर ऐसा मार्केट में होता तो अगर फिर मैंने ये अपने स्टार्ट किया कि मतलब हम ये करेंगे कि अकॉर्डिंग टू कस्टमर वी प्रिंट देयर डिज़ाइंस. और
whatever you expressed now, this happened practically.
yes,
Your
this happened.
plan.
Yeah,
This happened.
Plan.
yes,
We are planning now.
So you are from
I am from Pathankot.
your father.
My father also from Pathankot, also from father.
What is
He is a businessman. वो
what kind of?
फॉरेस्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है. और
Have you any time shared with this?
And I Abhinav.
Today we are the student of class 11th commerce.
We are here to represent our business idea, mushroom farming.
Our company name is Sports Space and tagline is fresh from farm.
Grow with care.
सर मैंने एक सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया है हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, जो सर पेपर वर्क होता है हॉस्पिटल्स में, रिकॉर्ड्स होते हैं, उसको पेपर वर्क को कम करने के लिए, सब कुछ ऑनलाइन करने के लिए. तो उसके लिए मैंने बनाया हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम सर. इसके अंदर क्या होता है, जितने भी पेशेंट्स रजिस्टर होंगे पूरे ऑनलाइन रजिस्टर होंगे, जो डॉक्टर्स का डेटा होगा वो सब कुछ ऑनलाइन होगा, वर्कर्स का डेटा सब कुछ ऑनलाइन होगा सर. यस सर.
So you have started working on hospital. Why not in school? Why not on school? You know the
यस सर.
total you see setup and you see working style.
यस सर.
First, I believe it is much easier for you
यस.
to work on this